I need that screw. Good thing I've got a friend. Just plain fun. He has all the parts you ever needed. And look, he's got the screw. Ooh, rosewood. Ooh, pretty, 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 pretty. That might just work. Oh yeah, it needs a hole. It's not half bad, I'll take it. So there you have it. This is the Stanley number 81. It's very similar to its brother, the Stanley number 80, but this sort of just, it doesn't really, it's a hunk of steel with a scraper in there and 3 screws, whereas this has a tilting head and a little more ornate on there, and it's got a soul to it, and you really want to use a tool that has a soul. And does it do any better than the 80? Honestly, no. Some people will tell you, yes, the wood does do a little more burnishing, but in reality, 6 of one, half dozen other. But it was a lot of fun. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while, and I picked this one up at a tool meet not too long ago, but of course, it's missing all the other hardware. And what did I do? I put in Phillips head screws. Yeah, I could have taken this farther and cleaned up the nickel plating on here, but I wanted to get this thing working and have a little bit of fun with it. And I just happened to have that perfect piece of rosewood. So yeah, I like this plate. I hope you do too. If you have any other questions, thoughts, ideas, or snide remarks, or even if you just want to be snarky, throw those comments down below. And that does help out the channel. Yes, if you are being snarky, you're helping the channel. Anytime you comment down below, it helps us grow and gets us in front of more people and all those things. You know how this works. It's the wonderful algorithm here on YouTube. But if you really want to help out and be amazing, beautiful, wonderful, and gorgeous, and one of these names over here, think about joining Patreon. Between patrons and members and people who click that thank you button, you guys are the ones who keep us going. And without you, we wouldn't be here. I think that'll do it for today. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Oddly enough, back in the day, this cost 5 cents. That's right. It's nickel.